Sonny Boyz Pick 3 and Pick 4 Lottery Prediction Sheet Review for June 2025. This covers only the Illinois Lottery. Repeat, it only covers the Illinois Lottery only for this sheet. So make sure you guys are watching it. But if you want to try it in other states, then more than welcome to try it. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit the notification bell and all those subscription icons so you're alerted when the videos drop on this channel. All right, so as you're looking straight on the Illinois side, it says Pick 3 forecast right here. So as looking at it right here, it says 567, 043, 890, 676. Then we move over to the next column. You got 213, 609, 387, 501. Then moving over to the other column, you have 575, 101, 292, and 509. So what sticks out to me for Pick 3, Pick 4, at 509 and 609 right here. Definitely numbers you want to play together just in case that odd number drops. And then you have the 676, and then you had this 567. So they both had a 6 and the 7 in there as well as the 5. Then you, of course, the 501, 509, 609, and maybe even that 101, since they all have the same numbers involved in them right there. All right, as we move down, they give you the Pick 4 forecast for the month of June. So we know it's the summer months and definitely like to have some extra cash around if we can hit, just for all the summer activities, festivals, and stuff like that. So right here, it's got 4021, 5567, 3092, the quad eights, 8888. Then we move over here, you got 7832, 6000, 5657, 4321 right there. So just looking at these two numbers right here, definitely you want to try to match those up together. And even this right here, 0, right there, you got 4321. So you had all 4, 2, and a 1 except the 3 in there. So that's definitely something you want to match it up, or you want to do 0, 1, 2, 3, or you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything you can do to kind of match it up with these. So they already predicting these. So I'll just go off their predictions and see if they're right. Most of the time with this tip sheet, I catch more box than I do straight. I'm not sure if that's a lottery adjustment or what, but the point is you need to try to hit something out of all these tip sheets, stuff that's out here. So this one is pretty good for the state of Illinois lottery. So that last column, you got 9824, 5656, 1100, and 2093. So just point out, this right number 3092 and 2093 is pretty much the same number. You just have to figure out which one you want to play to possibly hit straight. If not, you just hit a box or whatever. But I'll probably just pick one or the other and just see where it goes from there. So, all right, as we open it up, as always, you have the Pick 3 results from June 2024 all the way, and they predicting now what they are predicting to repeat. So they're giving you the numbers here for midday on the left, evening on the right here. So I won't read all these numbers, but we're trying to just go through. So June 1st starts on a Sunday of June. So if you were able to catch it in time, you got 323 for midday. If not, you can play 468 for the evening right here. And then you have 130 for the second, and then 971. So whatever day you watch this video, if you're watching it for the first time, if you can catch it, to say you missed the midday because you were at work, then if you catch this like on a ride home or lunch, then just set it up to play for the evening draw, or set yourself up for whatever the next day is. And that way that help you stay ahead of the curve, just in case you feel like you might miss it, or just play them for each day by going on, the lottery's website, IllinoisLottery.com, and just go get their app, and then you can just go through all these, and it got a portion on there that tells you can play any day. So if you don't want to play any of these, you can skip a certain day and play whatever you need to. All right, so this is from the 1st to the 15th. Then we can go up here to this right here from the 15th on down to the 30th, because it's not 31 days in June. So as you see right here, the 15th, 253, you go down. Remember, the left side is all midday and the right side is all evening draw right here. So hopefully you're able to see it from the 15th all the way down to the 30th. All right. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed so you can catch these numbers on the right dates when you're watching. All right, so now we go over to the pick 4 side. Of course, midday on the left, evening draw on the right. So again, catching pick 4 numbers right here on the 1st, which is Sunday, June 1st, 15:15. And then if you're able to catch it the evening, then 68:35. And if you miss Sunday in general, you catch this late at night or something like that, then you can go set yourself up for Monday, which is the 2nd of June, 43:65 and 38:40. And as always, we go down all the way to the 15th on this sheet right here, all the way down. And then you can see we get the last number for the 15th is 9844. And then for evening, you have 9089, which is actually 2 good numbers to play for both of those days. So I'll probably put a little marker here and just try to play both of those for midday and both for evening on that particular day. But, feel free to play whatever you want, even if these numbers aren't the numbers you want to play, or you decide, hey, I don't like that number, I'll play something else. That's why it's other numbers on these sheets for you. All right, as we move down, as you can see, we stopped at the 15th. Now we'll go ahead and go from the 15th all the way down to the 30th right here. So remember, 16th is where we'll start. And remember, midday is on the left and the evening draw is on the right. So the 16th starts at 8036, and then it works its way all the way down to the 30th of June, which would be 4590 right here. So now we're moving over to the right side over here. You have 16th right there. And then you start 7314, and it ends all the way down at 8057 for the end of June for the 4-digit. So I'll go ahead and zoom out so you guys can see this whole page again. Pick 3, pick 4 right here. Hopefully you're able to see everything, and like I said, make a good decision for the 1st of June all the way to the 30th. Now, as we go over to the last portion of it, of course, this side, as I explain every month for the newbies, they just show you how many times these numbers have drawn all the way from 1980 till now. So they were trying to say certain numbers pretty much falls all the time. So you might want to kind of take a look at this for even just for a quick second and see if it's something you want to play. So like 589 is highlighted. That one has failed 33 times. 321 failed 39 times. You look at the 4-digit, 2449 has failed 49 times and probably still growing. But you notice the numbers are highlighted in darker black. These are the ones they recommend the most for this month. So you have 4435, then 43 right here. So definitely keep those in mind. All right, moving down, as you see the horoscopes right here. You got Aquarius 4749, then Pisces 834, Aries the triple threes 333, Taurus 221, Gemini 903, Cancer 643. Moving down, Capricorn 595, Sagittarius you have 113, Scorpio 756, Libra 579, Virgo you have 908, and finally you have 421 for Leo. And it's nothing but advertisement stuff down here. And guys, this is Sonny Boyz pick 3, pick 4 lottery predictions for the state of Illinois lottery. So make sure you guys check out the description below for more information on lottery products and our other channel where we do everyday product reviews and just reviews on other items, that everyday items and stuff like that. So appreciate all the super thanks, and everybody let me know for all my Illinois lottery players of the numbers that's always falling or numbers you think that might fall from this sheet every day. All right. Catch you guys on the next one.